The courageous lion. In the vast savannah, a courageous lion named Leo reigned as the king of the animal kingdom. Leo was known for his bravery and noble heart. He protected his pride fiercely, leading them through perilous times. One day, a drought struck the land, leaving the animals parched and weak. Desperate for water, Leo embarked on a perilous journey to find a hidden oasis. He faced scorching heat, treacherous terrain, and hunger, but his determination never wavered. Finally, Leo discovered the oasis, a sparkling gem in the midst of the desert. He led his pride to the life-saving water, quenching their thirst and restoring their strength. The animals looked up to Leo as their fearless leader, realizing that true courage lies not in the absence of fear, but in the ability to confront and overcome it for the greater good. Leo's bravery inspired unity and resilience among the animals, teaching them the power of leadership and the importance of standing up for what is right. Please, like, share and follow. Thank you.